You spent $2,000 on Google Ads last month and got maybe 3 phone calls. That's not a Google problem, that's a strategy problem, and it's fixable. I've managed Google Ads for HVAC companies for 7 years, over $1 million in ad spend. I audit accounts every single week, and I see the same 5 mistakes draining budgets over and over. Mistake number 1, no clear campaign goals. I want more calls isn't a goal, that's a wish. A real goal sounds like this: 15 booked service calls at $40 per lead for AC repair in Phoenix. Without that, Google doesn't know who to target, and you don't know if it's even working. Mistake number 2, broad match keywords with no control. You're bidding on AC repair and your ad shows up for how to repair AC myself and AC repair training courses. You're paying $18 a click for people who will never hire you. Switch to phrase match or exact match. Target emergency AC repair near me and HVAC service same day. That's where the money is. Mistake number 3, generic ad copy. If your ad says best HVAC company, call now, you sound like every other contractor. Your ad needs to match what the customer actually searched. Someone typed furnace not blowing hot air. Your headline should say furnace not heating, same day diagnostic, $49. Speak their problem back to them. Mistake number 4, your landing page doesn't match. You paid $22 for that click. They land on your homepage with 11 menu tabs and a stock photo of a wrench. They're gone in 3 seconds. Your landing page needs to match the ad, load in under 3 seconds on mobile, and have one clear action: call now or book online. That's it. Mistake number 5, no negative keywords and 0 ongoing management. Without negative keywords, you're showing up for HVAC jobs near me, free AC unit, and DIY duct cleaning. That's $300 a month in wasted clicks, minimum. And if you set up your campaign in January and haven't touched it since, your cost per lead has been climbing every single week. Google Ads isn't set it and forget it. You need to check search terms weekly, cut what's not working, and double down on what is. Here's the thing most HVAC owners get wrong. They try Google Ads once, lose money, and assume it doesn't work. It works. It just needs the right setup. If you want me to look at your account and show you exactly where your budget is going, DM me your website. I'll record a free Loom audit. No pitch, just what's broken and how to fix it.